Hi guys, Ben here from Coinstothemoon, and today we'll be talking about two things. One is when is the perfect time to enter, and then the second one would be how do you take profits. This is common in our community. They usually ask, "Hey guys, when is the usual time to enter? When is the perfect time to buy?" The best answer there is to keep on buying on every discount. If you see that the trend is still going up, for me personally, I would suggest keep on buying and then set thresholds for your exit. So there's a process called dollar cost averaging where you keep on investing. Let's say on every payday you add like $100. So that's every 2 weeks. In the Philippines, it's common that the payday is usually on the 15th and the 30th. So let's say, for example, you're capable of investing on $100, $10, or $1,000, whichever your budget range is. You can see here the growth of your investment if you do dollar cost averaging. So the website is tcabtc.com, and you can see your profits from that investment. As we all know that cryptocurrency, let's say for Bitcoin, for example, it's very volatile. If you don't want to worry about the dips, you don't want to worry when to enter, the best advice we can give for most people is to dollar cost average. So you can, unfortunately, this is the only website I know. So this is only on Bitcoin. If you know a website where I can also do the same dollar cost average other altcoins, feel free to comment down below so other people can use that website. And then maybe we can cover it on the next video. So now we're going to talk about different ways to take profits. I have two ways of taking profits. So let's say, for example, one of our moon coins is Phantom with the ticker FTM. If you want to know more about the coins we're investing now and the coins we invested before and the coins we're trading, so feel free to join our Telegram group. So link is on here. So if you visit Coinstothemoon/calculator, you can see it, or you can just go to our website and then you can see the link. So currently we're investing on one of our moon coins, Phantom. The reason why we love this one is Andre Cronje of Yearn Ecosystem is one of the DeFi architects, and then he's moving some of the projects into Phantom chain. And recently it skyrocketed in price from 2 cents up to 80 cents recently. So it's a very huge jump. So it had a pullback around 44 cents now. The advantage is there's only 3.2 billion in supply. Almost 60% is already in circulation, which is a good thing because you can see here that the coins are really bought, the coins are being used in the network. And then some of the major DeFi such as SushiSwap is already moved on Phantom. And then same goes with Curve Finance, and Graph Protocol, which is one of our favorite tokens, is also available on Phantom. The project has good credentials because Alameda Research, so these are the guys who run Solana, Zero, Radium, and FTX. So they invested 35 billion into the project. So the main advantage of Phantom is it's a scaling solution for Ethereum. As we all know that Ethereum is very congested and the fees are really high. With Phantom, this solves a lot of problems in scaling and then fees. In Coinstothemoon.com, we have two types of taking profits. One is direct profits, and then the other one is profiting from profits. So let's say, for example, we're going to enter at 10 cents. Our exit would be, let's say, 12 cents. So that's around 20% profits already. In that trade, you can already gain 200. Let's say you want to just invest like $100. So that's $20 in profit. So that's straight profits. You can get it right away, the entire 20%. But in our case, what we're usually doing is, let's say, for example, we believe that the project is still early. If we are being optimistic in the future, if it's being adopted, it can go up to $5. So what we're doing is, another way to take profits is to take your initial capital and then hold your profit. Let's say, for example, your initial capital is at $1,000, so you bought it at 10 cents and then you've gained 20% from this trade. What we do is we just set the buy price and then the target price, but we only take the initial capital. So we don't sell the entire thing. So if you're trading on Binance, when you sell, there's an area there where you can just sell around 80%, or you can sell 1,000 USDT. So in this process, you just take your initial capital and then the $200 worth of FTM, you wait it until it reaches your target price, which is, let's say, for example, $5 or $2. In that way, if it goes into the right direction, meaning you profited from your profits before. So if it doesn't go in the direction that you wanted and it went down, it's okay because your initial capital is already safe. That's it for today, guys. In summary, there's two types of profit taking. One is direct profit. For example, you sell directly the 20% at that time. Or the second one is profiting from profits. When you invest and it grows to 20%, you only take the initial capital, and then the 200 worth, you hold it for your target price. And then if your target price is reached, that's the time you sell the entire thing. So you've already profit from your profits. And then if it doesn't go in that direction, let's say it went down, so your initial capital is safe. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you learned something from this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you want to know more. And then if you have time later, we have a website where you can watch more videos. We have here 5 trading tips for beginners, how to trade crypto on Binance. And then if you're still scared to trade crypto, we have ways also to create your passive income on Binance, so you don't have to worry much about volatility. This is very low risk. And then you can try out different wallets. In our community, the best wallet for us is on Binance because of the low fees, and then you can try others. And then we have trackers here, CoinGecko, the one we shown earlier. And then there are also different YouTubers you can follow. So this is the YouTubers we follow personally. And then yeah, thank you so much, guys. See you in the next one.